Do you want to upload videos on YouTube and earn money, all while remaining completely anonymous? If so, you have come to the right place. Many of us think that our voice is not good for YouTube, or we hesitate to add our voice on YouTube. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to create video without adding your own voice. And the best part is, you don't have to spend a single penny on any expensive software. Previously, I have uploaded a video on how to create GK videos using Canva, which received a tremendous number of views. However, that tutorial required you to add your own voice to the video. But in this video, I will teach you how to leverage the AI voice technology to add professional sounding voice to your videos, completely free of charge. But before we dive into the content, I would like to encourage you to subscribe to my channel if you are looking to grow on YouTube and create amazing content for social media. On my channel, I regularly share valuable insight on content creation and social media strategies. So without any further ado, let's dive into this video.
I am going to show you two methods. On the first method, you don't need any internet, and in the second method, you need internet. So let's start with first method. First, prepare a script for your video like this. I have prepared these two scripts. Now you need Edge browser. You can download it from internet if you don't have it. Now drag and drop the script on Edge browser like this. Now press Ctrl+Shift+U button on the keyboard.
Are you eager to upload videos on YouTube and earn money, all while remaining completely anonymous? If so, you've come to the right place.
You can change voice.
Many of us think that our voice is not good for YouTube or hesitate to add own voice. That's why in this video,
I'll show you a simple and effective way. Add a professional sounding voice to your videos, completely free of charge.
As you can see, you can use this audio, but the question is how to record this audio. If I use inbuilt audio recorder, this will not record audio from your laptop or computer, internal audio. You have to change some settings. Click on speaker icon lower right corner and click on open sound settings. Here go to the input section and select your input device. If don't select microphone, select stereo mix. If this option is not showing on your computer, then again right click on speaker icon and click on sounds. Go to the recording tabs and right click on stereo mix and enable the option if it's disabled. Now let's click on this to record our audio and press Ctrl+Shift+U.
Are you eager to upload videos on YouTube and earn money, all while remaining completely anonymous?
You can see.
If so, you've come to the right place. Many of us think that our voice is not good for YouTube or hesitate.
See that our audio is recorded. Let's check it.
Are you eager to upload videos on YouTube and earn money, all while remaining completely anonymous?
Now you can use it on your video. Now let's check how to record Hindi audio. All the process is same. You just have to select the Hindi language. This is Hindi script. Just drag and drop.
5 A B T C D A B C T D.
You have to change the language to Hindi. This one.
कौन सा जानवर पूरे 5 साल तक खड़ा रह सकता है? अ जिराफ, बी घोड़ा, टी सी ऊंट, डी गाय कौन सी?
Now let's see the second method. Now you have to open this website to record audio. I will provide the link in the description and in the pinned comment section. You can check it. You have to paste the script here and you can choose many voices here. Click convert now to generate audio.
Are you eager to upload videos on YouTube and earn money, all while remaining completely anonymous? If so, you've come to the right place.
You can see, you can change the voice. Select this one. Now click on convert. Let's check it.
Are you eager to upload videos on YouTube and earn money, all while remaining completely anonymous? If so, you've come to the right place.
Now you can download it and use it in your project. And you can use Hindi script also. You just have to select Hindi language. Let's select Hindi language here. And there are two audios. Click on convert. And it will generate audio, Hindi audio. Let's check it.
कौन सा जानवर पूरे 5 साल तक खड़ा रह सकता है? अ जिराफ, बी घोड़ा, सी ऊंट, डी गाय कौन सी सब्जी खा?
Now you can download it and you can use it in your videos. Hope you like this video. Thank you.